What's happening, everybody? Thank you for tuning in to We'll Fix It, and you are part of the team. We're not going to talky much. This is a quick video to help people that's trying to do something on their own. All right, so '06 Cadillac STS. This is a V6 model. I'm going to show you real quickly how to change this starter so that you're doing this in the yard. You don't be all pissed off and take all the wrong stuff off. Here we go. Let's flip the camera around. The starter is not the end of the world. This is on a lift. I have it on a lift, okay? Yes, I'm cheating a little bit, but if you're doing this in the yard, you can, just use some blocks of wood and get it up off the ground enough where you can get underneath it. You're going to need another block of wood and a floor jack just to put it under the oil pan. I removed the one bolt in this hole in the frame right here that holds the motor mount in just on the lower stud, so that allowed me to jack the motor up just a little bit, excuse me. And then next up was removing the starter bolts, which I already did that ahead of time. I'll remove the wire off the starter, which I went through the front hole right here. There's a front hole which you can get to. Bear with me, try to make it quick here. We're all busy. You can go through this front hole right here where this light's going up in with a long extension, and you can get the bolts off the starter, and you can reach up in this other hole and get the wire off with the big wire. And then once you do that, you're gonna, the one other thing, once you get the motor jacked up, you don't have to go up too high with it, but you go up just high enough to where you can you feel it bind, so you know that you're at the top part of that. The motor mount on this one's broken, so I'm gonna be changing that in this, not in this video, but and during the repair of this. But I took this one line off that goes on the rack, and I used a little thing to block it off so I wouldn't lose all my fluid. That's the only thing you really gotta do. And then that starter, if you flip it around the right way, I've got the old one here. That's not that old, but it didn't hold up because of other problems. But it came out. It came out like this. I flipped the starter around and I brought it out just like that right there, out through the bottom. And it wasn't the end of the world. So that's how you do that. That is the way you put that starter in, and you don't have to take a lot of stuff off, and you don't have to work yourself to death. So I just wanted to give you a quickie on how to change this starter. What do we do? Less than 3 minutes video? You can't go wrong with this. Hit that like, subscribe, and share, and tell everybody what's going on. We try to do stuff fast. All right, I'm out.